Alright guys, so got a new ceiling fan at Habitat yesterday, my local one. It's a Canarm 52-inch Victorian 5 blades, and it's in white/bright brass. So as you can see here, we have the instructions are right here, and guess some information sheet. You have a mounting plate, and there are the blades here. So I'll just carefully take it out of the box. Need somewhere to prop my camera. Hold on. Let's see, do you think here might be good? Let's take a look. Yeah, that should be good. Put it right here. Put those there. Just carefully take the blades out of this. Out of the styrofoam foam. Yeah. 5 cane blades. Well, this is going to be a difficult one. Hopefully nothing falls. Let's see if I can take... Nah, you know what? It's not going to work out. I'll just take the motor out. And there is the canopy. I'll just take the whole thing out now. If I can. There we go. So we have brackets, bright brass. I don't know if you can see. Pull chains, and there's 3 pull chains by the looks of it, and the down rod and ball socket. And then here is the what goes up to the canopy, the mounting, I guess what you would call it. And got some screws in here. I'm careful not to lose these. I'm not gonna bother taking these out because I don't really want to lose them. But here are some screws. Just gonna put them back in so I don't lose them. And this desiccant silica gel, throw away, do not eat. Don't know what this says, but I don't know if it's any use for the fan. I've never seen them out of boxes of fans, and just some little piece. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So, thanks for watching.